Three little fish swimming in a pool. The first one says, the pool is cool. The second one says, the pool is deep. The third one says, I want to sleep. Three little fish swimming in a pool. The first one says, let's dive and dip. Second one says, I see a ship. Third one says, I see a splash. So three little fish swim away in a flash. Hello children, I am Gayatri Auntie and today I'm going to tell you a story about the rainbow fish. Are you all ready to listen to the story of rainbow fish? Yes! One day in deep blue ocean there lived a colourful fish called the rainbow fish. The rainbow fish had colourful scales on his body, just like the rainbow. He had blue, purple, orange, pink and shiny sparkly scale on his body. One day, a small fish called Rolly saw rainbow fish. Rolly said, "Hello, my name is Rolly. You are so colorful and shiny."
Yes, I know.
You have so many colorful scales on your body. You have blue, purple, orange, pink and even shiny sparkly scale on your body.
Yes, that's why I'm called as the rainbow fish.
Rainbow fish, will you share your scale with me? Rainbow fish, ನನಗೊಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಹಿಜರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? Will you give me your shiny sparkly scale?
Give you my shiny sparkly scale? No, never.
But you have so many of them.
Give you my shiny sparkly scale? No, never.
Rolly, feeling very sad, swam away. Just then, Rolly's friend Polly saw rainbow fish. Polly said, "Hello, my name is Polly. You are so colorful and shiny."
Yes, I know.
You have so many colorful scales on your body. You have blue, purple, orange, pink and even shiny sparkly scale on your body.
Yes, that's why I am called as the rainbow fish.
Rainbow fish, will you share your scale with me? Rainbow fish, ನನಗೊಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಹೊಳೆಯುವ ಹಿಜರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀಯಾ? Will you please give me your shiny sparkly scale?
Give you my shiny sparkly scale? No, never.
But you have so many of them.
Give you my shiny sparkly scale? No, never.
Polly, feeling very sad, swam away. Children, do you think rainbow fish should have shared his shiny sparkly scales with Rolly and Polly? Rolly, Polly, swimming in the sea, splishing and splashing, oh what fun! Oh, what fun! While Rolly and Polly were playing in the sea, there came the rainbow fish. He saw them playing and he asked them,
Rolly and Polly, shall I also play with you, please? Rolly and Polly said, No, you cannot play with us, Rainbow Fish. Go away from here. Rainbow Fish, feeling very sad, swam away.
Children, do you think Rolly and Polly should have played with rainbow fish? One day, the wise octopus was swimming in the sea when he saw rainbow fish feeling very sad. Rainbow fish, why are you so sad?
I have so many colorful scales on my body. I have so many shiny scales on my body, but no one wants to play with me.
Have you tried giving away your shiny scales to your friends?
Give my shiny scales to my friends? No, never.
Then try giving away your shiny scales to your friends. You will not be shiny anymore, but you will be very happy. Saying this, the wise octopus swam away. One day, Rolly saw rainbow fish and started singing. Rainbow fish, will you share your scale with me? Rainbow fish, will you please share your shiny sparkly scale with me? The rainbow fish thought about what the wise octopus had told him about sharing his shiny sparkly scale with his friends to be happy. So the rainbow fish said,
Here, Rolly, take my shiny sparkly scale.
Thank you so much, rainbow fish, for this shiny sparkly scale. Listening to this, the rainbow fish was very happy. Just then, Polly saw rainbow fish and started singing. Rainbow fish, will you share your scale with me? Rainbow fish, will you please share your shiny scale with me? Rainbow fish thought about what the wise octopus had told him about sharing his shiny sparkly scales with his friends to be happy. So rainbow fish said,
Here, Polly, take my shiny sparkly scale.
Polly, seeing his shiny sparkly scale, was very happy. He said, Thank you so much, rainbow fish, for this shiny sparkly scale. Listening to this, the rainbow fish was very happy. From then on, Rolly, Polly, and rainbow fish used to play together, swim together, and they were always happy. Children, did you like the story of rainbow fish, Rolly and Polly? Shall we do an activity now? Letting children explore with paints is a great way to unleash their creativity in a fun and engaging way. Children, shall we do some fun paint activity today? See, we have colorful paints with us. We have white paper to paint on. But where is the brush? idea. We can use our fingers as brush to paint. Shall we see how? See, take your finger, dip in paint, dab a dot. Now dip your finger in paint again and drag a straight line. Shall we draw a zigzag line now? Dip in paint, zigzag line. Now you can use your finger in different way. Let me show you how. Dip your finger in paint this way and press. See? You can also use our thumb this way. Shall we do it now? Dip your thumb in paint and press. See? We can also draw shapes with it. Shall we see? A circle. Shall we color the circle now with our fingers? Color, 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 color. See? See, we can do lots of things with our fingers. Now, shall we make something fun with our fingers and paints? Yes, let's go. Shall we start? Yes. Now dip your finger in paint like this and press. Press one more time. Finger in paint and press. Now, one more time. Press. Press. What am I making? And press. Now dip your finger in paint like this and put a dot. What am I making? Dip your finger in paint and draw a straight line. Dip your finger in paint and press and press. Does it look like a flower? Yes. Shall we make a fish now? Yes. Is it as colorful as a rainbow fish? Using our fingers and paints, we can make many more drawings like this. Shall we see some? A car, ocean, lots of balloons. Hope you all enjoyed the activity, children. Bye bye.